The OnePlus Nord 2 5G is finally here. Our friends from Digis Trading sent us a review unit for us to check out this amazing new device from OnePlus. The OnePlus Nord 2 5G offers two colors with two variants. The Blue Haze 8GB memory plus 128GB storage at 21,990 pesos and Gray Sierra 12GB memory plus 256GB storage priced at 25,990 pesos. The OnePlus Nord 2 5G is now available in selected Digital Walker stores and Digital Walker websites. Let's check more of what the OnePlus Nord 2 5G has to offer. And before we proceed, please like and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Inside the box, we have the OnePlus Nord 2 5G unit, Warp Shard 65 power adapter, Warp Type-C cable, phone case, screen protector which is pre-applied, SIM tray ejector, welcome letter, brand sticker, quick start guide, safety information, and warranty card. The build quality of the Nord 2 5G seems strong and sturdy with the frame made of durable plastic but using a special coating to look like a metal effect. The back cover is made of polycarbonate plastic material with glass. Same goes with the front display using Gorilla Glass 5, and buttons on both sides are made of metal. The material used for the device makes it look and feel premium. It is nice to hold, but the phone is a bit slippery, so you better use the included clear protective phone case. On the right side, you have the useful alert slider, sleep power button, and on the left sports the volume control. You have a mic receiver on top, while a USB Type-C port, SIM card tray, speaker grill, and microphone at the bottom. A missing component is a 3.5mm headset jack on the device. For those who are not familiar with the alert slider, it allows users to easily switch between ring, vibrate, and silent modes with no fuss. On the SIM card tray, it can accommodate 2 nano SIM, but there's no microSD storage expansion available. For our review unit, we have a nice shiny blue haze color at the back, with the camera module on the top left corner offering 3 camera lenses, LED flash, and OnePlus branding icon at the center. On the front, the Nord 2 5G sports a large 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with an available 60Hz and 90Hz refresh rate, which makes it an ultra-smooth screen experience. You also get HDR10 Plus support, a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, a pixel density of 410, and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The front-facing camera can be found on the top left corner while the speaker at the center. Bezels on the sides are thin but slightly thicker at the bottom chin of the display. OnePlus has equipped the Nord 2 5G with a couple of video enhancements. You have AI resolution boost and AR color boost. We love the display of the OnePlus Nord 2 5G. It's bright, vibrant, video angles are nice, colors are rich, and texts are sharp. With the 90Hz refresh rate, you get a smoother scrolling and gameplay experience. Even if you're using the device during a bright outdoors, you can still manage to see everything on the display. However, OnePlus offers the smart ambient brightness found under the display setting. Enabling it when your device is exposed to bright light, its screen can go as high as 633 nits. The OnePlus Nord 2 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI, an exceptional chipset for 5G smartphones providing 65% faster CPU and 125% GPU performance. We got 8GB of memory and 128GB UFS 3.1 internal storage. The Nord 2 5G has connectivity support such as dual 5G, 4G VoLTE, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and 5 satellite navigation systems. It also supports 2 5G nano SIM cards offering 5G download speeds up to 2.95GB per second. Camera on the OnePlus Nord 2 5G offers a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 main camera with an f1.88 aperture. The next lens gives you an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera and a 2-megapixel mono camera. Selfies are taken with a 32-megapixel Sony IMX615 with an f2.45 aperture. The camera on the Nord 2 5G are quick to lock focus on the subject, and AI was fast enough to detect the scenes we are capturing. During bright conditions, photos captured on the Nord 2 5G has good details, proper colors and objects at a distance were noticeable. Shooting on the ultra-wide camera gives you a wider field of view, but the image quality of our shots drops a little. Shooting modes available for you to choose on the camera app are night, video, photo, portrait, slow-mo, time-lapse, movie expert, ultra-resolution, pano, and dual-view video. Notable shooting modes we like on the Nord 2 5G are the dual-view video, which takes videos and photos using the front and back camera at the same time. The portrait mode lets you tweak the level of blur to have a bokeh effect before taking a shot, and it had a good edge detection and separation from the background. With night mode, it can capture better photos in low light. The AI can detect when it's too dark and enable this automatically, giving a brighter with the better details in the shadows. While selfies taken with the front camera look natural in daylight as well as low light and clear, but noise is still present in the photo but minimal. Video recording on the rear camera offers a 4K resolution at 30 frames per second on the Nord 2 5G, while on the front camera you can record with a 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second. It also has optical image stabilization feature to stabilize or aid a smooth steady video if you're walking. Here are some photos and footages taken using the OnePlus Nord 2 5G.
Mostly all photographs of
Software on the OnePlus Nord 2 5G runs on Oxygen OS 11.3 based on Android 11 and will receive 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security updates. The Oxygen OS 11 boasts of some new improvements such as dark mode, Zen mode, comfortable single-handed operation, and various always-on display options, with additional personalization, gestures, and gaming-friendly customization such as the new OnePlus Games app on Oxygen OS 11.3. So far, we experienced a fast and responsive OS on this device. If you're an online gamer, the device comes with a built-in gaming mode that activates automatically whenever you open a game. The feature helps you to enhance performance, network, overall gaming experience, and also offers a dedicated in-game gaming toolbox. You can fully customize your default Oxygen OS look as it supports different icon packs, change the system colors, the fingerprint scanner animation, the notification drawer icons, even the system font. For added security, the OnePlus Nord offers biometrics with its fast and accurate in-display fingerprint unlock or face lock. For a more layer of security, you can also opt to set a lock screen password. The Nord 2 5G is equipped with a 4500 mAh battery as it comes with their latest Warp Charge 65 power adapter. The Warp Charge 65 is designed to deliver 65 watts of fast charging power to this device. During our first charging test, we were surprised that it took 40 minutes to have the battery fully charged from 0 to 100%. But on our second test, we had the battery fully charged by only 35 minutes. It is also unbelievable that after 15 minutes, you already have 55% charge on its battery. There's no wireless charging feature on this device, but that's not unusual given that this is a mid-range handset. There are other useful tools you can find under the battery settings such as optimized night charging, power saving mode, and sleep standby optimization. The OnePlus Nord 2 5G is good all-rounder at its price level under the mid-range 5G smartphone today. At 21,990 pesos, you get an impressive 6.43-inch AMOLED display that has nice colors, vibrant and clear, plus a 90Hz refresh rate for that smooth scrolling experience. Watching videos and playing games on the display of this phone is truly enjoyable and immersive. The cameras are impressive as well. They are well defined and quality are just superb, especially shooting your subject on bright condition. It's nice to see that they have two 5G SIMs available and the fast charging works very well. Thanks to the Warp Charge 65 power adapter, you get 55% battery after a 15-minute charge. Our experience with the Oxygen OS 11.3 software did a good job also. OnePlus might have to make some few improvements as far as the speakers are concerned. There are some missing features as well that we hope it should be there, such as the expandable storage via microSD and a ready 3.5mm port for users who still has a wired headset. Overall, the OnePlus Nord 2 5G delivers great value for your money. If you're alright with all the said features and minor shortcomings on the Nord 2 5G, then we definitely recommend this phone for you. Thank you for watching our review. Please follow and support us by subscribing to our channel.